Ready to open the hood? Use tool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the cabin filter that you'll find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. With a multi-bit screwdriver and a T20 Torx bit, unscrew the retaining screws on the lower casing section of the dashboard. Using a flathead screwdriver, remove the 3 plastic rivets that hold the glove box cover in place, levering the central part. Then, remove the second part of the rivet. Remove the cover under the glove box. Lift the flange off the cabin filter and pull it towards you. Pull out the cabin filter, which is in 2 parts. Take the tab on the second filter so that you can remove it more easily. Before putting in the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment.
Please support us, subscribe and like the video, that will be really cool.
There are 2 types of cabin filter. The white ones are called pollen filters, while the black ones are called activated charcoal filters. The first one helps prevent dust from entering, while the second filters out both dust and gases. The choice is yours. Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Reposition the 2 filters, paying close attention to how you hold them up. Look carefully at what is indicated on the filter, which should show the airflow direction. Put the first one in place by pushing down once it has been entered. Ensure that the tab sticks out a little, then put the second one in. Put the flange back on. Put the cover back on the glove box by putting the central part of the plastic rivet first and then the second. Put the casing back on, clipping it in to start with. Finish by putting the retaining screw back. Operation completed.
Hello, if this video helped you, like and subscribe.